Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back today with a haul from, pardon me, Creative Memories, and I'm going to share a little bit of an organizational tip. The first Saturday in May is National Scrapbooking Day. I love National Scrapbooking Day. I love scrapbooking. I wish I had been scrapbooking during this last year. I did some scrapbooking, but not just daily and all of that. And I'm trying to rework that back into my life with you know, one little word and things like that, you know. And so I'm here sharing with you guys a wonderful, fun class that I'm going to be holding online. What it's going to be, now first I'll just share with you, these are some of the great National Scrapbook Day stickers, and these are going to be in a card class I'm going to offer because in April it is card and written letter month. So I want us to be able to do a fun card kit. We'll be doing a Stampin' Up card kit. This is going to be a Creative Memories card kit. And so these are the stickers for that. So I'm going to stick that over here in my basket. The other thing I'm going to be doing is the National Scrapbook Day layout project. And I have ordered, I have enough for 10, 2, 3, I think 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have enough for 10 of you to sign up. It is going to be an $18 class plus shipping. So I have to look and see what the shipping is going to be. It's going to be a really fun class. So we have the layouts, and we have all the paper, and it's gorgeous, and we have the stickers, and I'm going to be adding some of my own private stash goodies to each kit, so that you guys can be encouraged. If you are already a scrapper, you can take it, you can go with it. If you're not a scrapper and this is your beginning, this will kind of help you along your way. And as many of you know that follow my channel, I was with Creative Memories for quite a while. Matter of fact, it helped pay for my husband's grad school. And so I was really pleased to be able to do that and still be full-time mom, full-time homeschooling mom, the whole thing. And but anyways, Creative Memories has been a huge part of our lives. I'm super excited about it, and I can't wait. So the first how many did I say, 10 people that send me a message to JosephinesDesignscom at gmail.com. It is also in the About section of this channel. You guys will be the first to get to order your kit for National Scrapbook Day. It'll be an online class, and it should be a lot of fun. And I'm super excited. My husband and youngest daughter and I, we're going to go to one of the regional, there's, I don't know how many they're going to host. I think it's around 10 regional crops and with Creative Memories. And it's going to be in a weekend kind of thing. So we made our reservations last night. We booked our hotel. We ordered our Groupon for my husband and daughter, and we just had a great time. So anyways, and many years ago, my husband would go and take our older kids to this area and go do fun things. So it worked out really well. They were all like, oh wow, yeah, you know, I'm in. So I was like, I figured he's gonna go, oh no, you know. So you know how that goes. But I think he knows I haven't done things in so long that are things that kind of float my boat. So he's just being super sweet, and I offered them all the bells and whistles to go along with it. So they're going to have a great time. But for now, again, Creative Memories National Scrapbooking Day is the first Saturday in May, and we are going to have a fun online party working on the kit that they have designed. So it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. Let me do this really quick so you guys can see the colors, because, oh gosh, I mean, the paper is phenomenal. Hold on. And I want to do this. I should have done this to begin with, Selena. I didn't really plan this very well. My daughter's in there making chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, we're going to be naughty this evening. We're going to watch a movie, and yeah, we watched a movie last night, but isn't this paper gorgeous? No, that's the same. Let me see, is this different? Yep, okay, so it's different on that side. And then we have this one. Oh, isn't that yellow beautiful? And then if that yellow doesn't float your boat, we have that one. I love that blue ticking. And then we have that one, and we have this one. What a gorgeous, and then 2 pieces of cardstock, red and blue, And look how beautiful that is. And then we have gorgeous stickers that go with the kit. We have great layout designs. So we are good to go. Now, the last thing I want to share with you guys is, and I'm going to put those back here so I won't damage anything. I can get everything back in there correctly. But many of you have asked me, what are you doing for organization? So, I think you guys can see this. These are these amazing bins, and I get them at the Container Store. I buy them once a year. I think they're only on sale once a year. But you can see they're a good size bin. They hold scrapbook paper and everything beautifully. They are, this is the size of them, 15.24 inches by 10.31 inches by 9.65 inches. I'm sorry I stammered because I'm thinking, why such odd, why such odd measurements? But anyways, I've used these for years. I love these. I bought a whole bunch of these when they were super dirt cheap at Container Store. They delivered them for free, and I also bought the smaller, one of the smaller sizes, more like a magazine, size, for my pantry. So I have some this size, some the huge extra large size, and some smaller. So I love these. They work beautifully, and my family has genuinely, I think because you can just, and I didn't put these in well when I was reaching across, but I think the reason they work so well is because you're able to, you can pick them up either way, on the side or on the long side. And everything just fits so nicely. They're not crammed in there. You have plenty of space. So I have really, and another thing is they're square. They're not angled. They're square. And so they fit nicely side by side on a shelf. There's plenty of room to put like a label here. And yeah, I mean, they're just fantastic. And look how great these stickers come off. Any company, and I have no fingernails right now, so sorry guys, it could take me a minute. Any company that designs something and it comes off this quickly and no residue or mess up, yay. I hate that. That's one of the things. I know it's a weird thing to say that you hate that, but it drives me crazy. So anyways, long story short, I just wanted to share with you some of the beautiful organizational things that I'll be using. Like I said, I'm going to use them in my pantry, in my craft studio. Also some of the great National Scrapbook Day kit that just came in. And I'm also going to be coming back with a card kit that I'm going to make up with Creative Memories. It should be fun. And then also, I will also be having start some card kits for Stampin' Up. So anyways, alright guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you be a part of us. We'd love to encourage you. And we're a small group, but we're mighty here. And everybody here is so encouraging. And, we are here together to learn and to grow. And sometimes that's with crafting, sometimes that with hauls, things I found on good sales. You guys send me great stuff all the time, and thank you. And I'm able sometimes to take advantage of your wonderful finds. Also just craft projects you guys share and I share back. My faith walk, I talk a lot about my different Bible studies that I'm involved in, or even privately the things that I put together, the things that are, I'm using right now that are encouraging me in my walk with the Lord, and just things like that. I mean, it has been a great place to come and everybody to gather together and share the great information. So we would hope that you would join with us and be a part of our group. We'd love to have you. Say hello if you like, or email me privately at JosephinesDesignscom@gmail.com, which is always in the About section and of this channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell button just right beside it, and that way you guys will be notified of every new video that's coming up. I'm back on a bit of a roll, so it feels good to be back with you guys so much. I have so appreciated all of your messages and notes and prayers and encouragements, and I could never have gotten through all of this without all of y'all. Y'all have just been an amazing group, and I'm just thanking you guys. And I'll probably say it forever, because I just know how important that is. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. So most importantly, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and so very lovely. I look so forward to talking to y'all again. Y'all come back soon. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.